Hi folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete here in Florida. A little chilly this morning, about 60 degrees, so I thought I'd do a video inside. I'm sure I'm not going to get any sympathy from my friends and family back up in Ontario. What we're doing today is an egg salad, the simple way. We don't have to peel the eggs after they're cooked. We're going to poach them. Just like in my episode 1, we're going to poach the eggs. The water's all ready to go here. Don't forget to put a little shot of vinegar. It helps keep the eggs together. I'm going to do 4 eggs for this recipe. We're going to drop these in here. Typically, if you're going to do a poached egg in the morning, well, you want it kind of soft, most people. So you're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how soft you want your yolk. This, however, we're going to poach it a little longer because we don't want the yolk soft. We'll leave these in here for about 5 minutes. As you can see, my water's not to a full boil. You want it just a nice little rumble. So we'll let these go for about 2.5 minutes. We're going to roll them over and then finish them off. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes and we're just going to gently roll these guys over. Makes for a more even cooking. We'll flip these over. About another 3 minutes. They'll be just the way we want them. The poachers are done. 5.5 minutes, they're perfect. I got a strainer and a pot. We'll put them in here, pop them in the fridge, and we'll come back and make our egg salad. Now, what could be better than an egg salad sandwich? How about an egg salad grilled cheese? I'll whip that up. It'll be great. So, in our egg salad, we're going to have tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of mustard. I've got like a Dijon mustard here. It's a grainy type. That'll give it some good flavor. Some finely diced onions, tablespoon. And next, some finely diced pickles. Choose the pickles you like. I've got some bread and butter pickles here. I think it works nicely with this. I got a tablespoon of those, finely diced. And then our eggs. Give that a bit of stir, get the sauce moved around in it. And then I'm going to use a potato masher to mash it up and get the consistency that I like. Okay, we'll mash these up. Get them to the texture that we like. You can use a fork if you like with this. Salt and pepper to taste. And now, let's make a sandwich. This would be fantastic just on some nice fresh bread. Maybe you're going on a trip the next day. You can whip this up in the evening. Do a little road trip. Take some egg salad sandwiches along. But next, we'll make a grilled cheese egg salad sandwich. My pan's ready to go. About a medium heat. Butter one side of the bread. Butter side down. We'll put a layer of cheese on here. I've got some American cheddar. And we'll put our egg salad on. Spread that around. We're going to want another layer of cheese. Put whatever kind of cheese you like. It's all good. And then our bread on top. Butter side up. Just push that down a little bit. It'll help brown it evenly on the bottom. We'll leave that down for a couple of minutes till it gets browned up, the cheese melts, and we'll flip it over and brown the other side. It's browned up nice on one side. We'll give that a flip and cook the other side. It's looking lovely. The cheese is getting nice and gooey. You can flip it over a couple of times just to distribute the heat evenly. I took my time with this on a low to a medium heat. There's a lot in there with all that egg salad and cheese. You want to get everything nicely warmed up. Flipping it back and forth a few times to make sure everything gets warmed up even. I think it looks perfect. It's time to plate it up. There it is, folks. Doesn't that look delicious? Maybe a pickle on the side or maybe a bowl of soup. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the simple way to make egg salad. If you like my videos, subscribe to my video. You do that by being logged in on YouTube and click the red button. You can also leave a comment there if you like, or a suggestion. But anyways, the time has come for my favorite time. I get to try the goods. It looks delicious. Oh, you're gonna love it. Folks, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. See ya. Comment, say hello. But now I get to do that. Cut.